Hello. The Inspiring Women Lecture Series was set up to celebrate and encourage equality and provides an opportunity for staff, students and members of the public to hear from women who have been particularly successful within their field, including science, the arts, humanities and business. We welcome various speakers throughout the year, culminating with a full-day event packed with inspiring presentations and workshops. As you'll see from the website, we've had a fantastic range of previous speakers, which have included CEOs, philanthropists, scientific advisors, artists and politicians. So there really is something for everyone. These events provide a platform to encourage leadership, courage, resilience and to believe in yourself and never give up in spite of challenges that you might face, supporting our motto of dream, believe, achieve. I'm extremely proud of this series and hope that the events help to change perceptions, challenge the status quo, and most importantly, inspire others. I'd be delighted for you to join us at our next event. You can find more details on our Inspiring Women webpage. I look forward to seeing you there.